time of prosperity, the era of interphase. It was an active period of the kingdom of Cellula when many metabolic reactions were occurring, and the peasants were producing proteins, mitochondria, and/or chloroplasts. Interphase consisted of three parts of the kingdom's development: the G1 phase, the S phase, and the G2 phase. G1 was the production of organelles by the population for the kingdom Cellula. S phase was the royal family's replication, and the G2 phase was the population producing more organelles. And in preparation for the division of the kingdom, the royal family started to group together in families. Some might say they started to coil.
Disaster strikes, the era of the divide, prophase. The king suddenly dies and the royal family group together to form chromosomes. The castle falls and centrioles and spindles form to imprison the royal family.
During the metal phase of the royal family, family groups line up at the center of the kingdom along the metal phase plate equator, and the chain fibers connect the prison wardens to the waist of the royal family. The chains from different poles of the kingdom is now attached to two members and, yeah, ready. At the start of the anaphase, the pairs of royal family members separate and the microtubule chains pull them towards poles of the kingdom. Until then, the royal members are held together at their waist. Through the process of the mitosis, identical royals are formed because royal family members are pulled to the opposite poles. And now, the entire family members are divided, forming identical royal members. And last but not least, telophase. In this phase, the nuclear membrane forms around the new royal family group at each pole. The chains has disappeared. The new royal family groups are now called chromatins. The commander from each group now became visible. Look! Wow! The entire kingdom of Cellula has now divided into two different kingdoms. Yes!
Then the rest of the kingdom splits in a process known as cytokinesis. And the one mother kingdom splits to become two genetically identical daughter kingdoms. But then, because of outside influences known as carcinogens, each kingdom lost control and they too divided, and those kingdoms divided, and conflict engulfed the land, sparking civil wars everywhere. Soon, the consumed kingdoms had spread so far the land became known as a tumor. It could even spread to far parts of the continent, creating secondary tumors.